Monstack internship about my experience at Webstack Academy. Hello all, my name is JenikaK. I am currently pursuing BTech Information Technology at JenikaK CSA College of Engineering, Nazareth. During the course of this internship, I had built a full stack music player project. I am happy to part of this internship and I have gained a lot of knowledge from this internship. Agenda: Introduction, Overview, Goals of the Internship, Project Requirements, Full Stack Web Development, MERN Stack, Architecture and Design, Project Implementations, Details, Project Demo, and then Conclusion. The Overview: the Webstack Academy's online internship program is a game changer, providing students with the opportunity to enhance their practical skills and gain valuable experience regardless of the location. This internship program provides wholesome experience in full stack web development using the MERN stack. Next, the goals of the internships are: gain practical skills. That means the internship aim to bridge gap between the theory and the practice by exposing me to the challenges and intricacies of your full stack web development. Project based learning: the internship provided me with the opportunity to build a full stack music player project. Third one is a network with professionals. I had the chance with experienced developers and learn from their expertise, expanding my professional network. The project requirements: the project is a full stack music player using the MERN stack, and the core task of the project is: the system provides a secure online music streaming platform with users authentication and playlist management. The key features are a responsive music player UI, secure login and logout, song search and filter, playlist creation, admin panel, real-time music streaming, and the user dashboard. Next, what is about the full stack web development means? The full stack web development involves working on both the front end and the back end of the web application. The key points include mastering a range of technical and soft skills to handle the entire development process from conception of your development. Next, the software developers require slightly different skills, tools, and software knowledge for front end and the back end development. However, a full stack development combines both the disciplines, meaning term and build applications from start to finish in an integrated and cohesive manner. A full stack application is a software application that encompasses both the front end and back end in a single code base. Next, what is about the front end development? It is a client side. This focuses on the user interface and user experience using technologies that run in the user browsers. The core languages of the front-end development are the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. The frameworks and the libraries of the front-end development are the React.js, Angular, Vue.js, and the Bootstrap. Next, what is about the back-end development? It is called as a server side. This involves the logic, server, and database interactions that happen behind the scenes. The programming languages of the backend development are Node.js, Python, Java, PHP, and Ruby. The databases used in the backend development are relational and non-relational. The API development are creating and consuming the RESTful of graph OL APIs to enable communication between the front end and the back end. Next, what is about the MERN stack? MERN stands for the MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, and Node.js. It is a JavaScript based full stack web development framework. The MongoDB means NoSQL database is used to store data in a flexible document format. Express.js, the backend framework for building the APIs and handling the server side logic. React.js, front-end library for creating the dynamic and the responsive user interfaces. The Node.js, the JavaScript runtime that allows running JS code on the server. The MERN stack enables end-to-end web application development using one language which is called as a JavaScript. Next, the architecture and the design of the music player. The project follows the MERN stack architecture in which we uses the MongoDB, Express.js, React.js and Node.js. It uses a three-tier architecture which is a front end built with React.js handles the user interface and interactions. And second is a backend developed using the Node.js and Express.js process request and business logic. Third one is a database layer, which is a MongoDB Compass stores user data, property, listing, and bookings. The RESTful APIs connect the front end and the back end for seamless data exchange. The MVC pattern, which is called as a model view controller, ensures the clean and modular code structure. The responsive UI for smooth experience on desktop, tablets, and mobiles. Next, a project implementation details. Built using the MERN stack, MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, Node.js, frontend developed with the React.js for a responsive and a dynamic user interface. Backend created using a Node.js and Express.js to manage the APIs and authentication. Database used MongoDB Compass to store the user data. Implemented the JWT authentication for secure the login and user sessions. Next, the actions used for front-end, back-end communication via RESTful APIs. Then the deployed front-end on your Vercel and the back-end on a render for live access. Next, the project demo. Okay, let us see the project demo. This is my project called as a full stack music player. If I open, it consisting of the backend and the front end. The backend code consists of the controllers, which contains the auth controller.js, song controller.js. Okay, then the middleware. It contains the auth middleware.js. Then models, the user model. Next, routes, auth route and song route. Utils, the send email.js. Next, the env. And then the package.json. Okay, now the front-end code consisting of the src, the components. Sorry. Okay, the front-end contains the components are auth. It contains many components. Inside the auth, it has many five. Next, the common, the layout. The layout is a main, which is the footer of the page, the main area, the side menu. Okay, next to the player, the search, song, then the utils, then the hooks, pages, redux, then the app.jsx. Okay, then at last it contains the package.json. Okay, these are the codings. Okay, first of all, we run the code. First, we want to run the backend. So, Okay. Yeah. The server is running on port 5000 and the MongoDB connected successfully. Next, we can run the front end. Yeah, the front end also working. It is running on the localhost 5173. It's correct. Next, we go to the Chrome and we can search our project and open our project. Okay, the title was a music player. Okay, okay. First of all, let us say the Synthesia, the home in the side menu. It contains the home, search, favorite, and the guest. Okay, if I click the search button, it asking to log in. Yeah, so correct. If again I search for a favorite, again it asking for a login. Okay, then again if I click on the guest, okay, okay, first we can log in the page. So login. Okay, before login, we can inspect the page. Okay, go to the console. Then okay, no errors are coming. Okay, so login. The email address is automatically filled and the password is also auto-filled. So login. Yeah, the login button click and login successful. The message user logged in successfully. User token are showing. Okay. So now the logout button was shown. If I refresh it, it will again show the logout, which means we are in the login. Okay. Next, we can go for the network. Okay, we are seeing such songs and many things. Okay. First, we can play one music. This is a playlist which contains the 5 playlists: the workout, chill, happy, relaxing, and the rock. Okay, if I go to the playlist of the workout, it consisting of your 2 songs. If I go to the chill, it consisting of your 10 varieties of songs. And then happy, it also consisting the 10 songs. Then the relaxing, it also consisting the 10 songs. Then the rock, it also consisting. See in the network, it is showing that the changes. If I visit the workout, it will appear here. Then each moment is showing in the network. Yeah. So if I play the blast out song, it will play. See, play and the songs is started. If I stop this, the song is stopped. Okay. 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 If I mute this, the song is muted, but the song is playing on. Okay, I can adjust the sound of the song. You see, the sound was raising and increasing, raising and slowing, increasing and decreasing. Okay, and see, the button is working. The shuffle and the repeater. Okay, if I kept this song till or
Je n'ai pas connu les douleurs.
It gone to the 9th song. Yeah, the song was playing right manner. Okay, then I will check the loop. Okay, see, the song was playing 9th song. Then again See, the 90s song was playing again. So these buttons are working. Okay, let us check the speed of the song. If I click 0.7x, it becomes slow. Then if I click 2x, it becomes too faster. Yeah, yes. I'm selecting.
Je n'ai pas connu les douleurs dont tu me parlais, je n'ai pas vécu la misère, même si j'y étais, quand tu m'as laissé un mot, j'ai enfin compris que ton visage me trahissait. Jamais tes phobies. Il m'en a fallu.
The favorite list. See, the song was in the favorite. Yeah, the favorite song. It will also play. This is my favorite
Un, deux, trois. Un,
as a
deux.
favorite. Then, if I search the song, um, child, the song was coming, appearing in the network. Okay, then if I search for your bar, it was also appearing. Okay, the search bar is working. Next, if I change my internship team, so name, if I kept the name as a JenikaK, it will save. See, the name was changed to the JenikaK. Yeah. Then here see, it has options like change password. If I want to change the password, we want to enter the current password, then the new password also, then it will change. Okay. Next, okay, let us change the password and it will let us see it was working or not. Okay, so let us check and change the password. Okay, if I change the password, my current password is this. Okay, my new password is okay. It was updated. So update password. Okay. If I go to the mail track, then okay, this is a one reset password of formula in which we can change the password. We get a link in this. You can change the password. After updating this, we can change the password here itself. Okay. Now, see here, the name was changed to the JenikaK from the internship team instead of internship team. Okay, here all it's okay. Then what else? This is the playlist. See the network. It's all working. Then enough. This is my full stack music player project, which I done in this internship conducted by the Webstack Academies, which was a very great um, learning center. I feel happy to be part of this internship. Then, okay, the project demo was finished. Okay. The conclusion are the music player project helped me to gain the practical experience in full stack web development using the MERN stack. It allowed me to understand how the front end, back end, and the database work together to create a complete web application. Through this project, I learned to implement the key features such as authentication, property management, and booking functionality, which improved my technical and problem solving skills. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all my mentors and instructors at Webstack Academy for their mentorship played a vital role in helping me successfully complete this work. Thank you.